In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hole in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean parametric hole with the right size, depth, and style for your design. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360. Make sure you're in the design workspace and that the right component is active if you're working with an assembly. It helps to set your units before you begin so your diameter and depth are accurate. If you're unsure, glance at the bottom bar to confirm whether you're in millimeters or inches. Next, go to the Create menu and choose Hole. This opens the whole dialog and immediately turns on a live preview, which is incredibly helpful. You'll see options for the hole type, dimensions, and how the hole is positioned. Keep the dialog open as you work so you can see the model update in real time. Select the face where you want the hole. This is usually a flat face, but Fusion 360 can also work with cylindrical or angled faces. As soon as you pick the face, Fusion expects a center point for the hole. Click directly on the face to place the center, or hover near edges to snap to midpoints and intersections if they appear. If the preview points the wrong way, use the flip direction option in the dialog to drill inward instead of outward. Now set the hole's details. Choose the hole type that fits your design. Simple if you just need a straight cut, counterbore for a bolt head that sits flush, countersink for screws, and tapped if you want threads. Enter the diameter and then define the depth. You can set a specific distance, go through all to cut completely, or use to object if you need to stop at an internal surface. For positioning, use the dimensions in the dialog to offset the hole from edges. This gives you precise control without needing extra sketches. Keep an eye on the preview to make sure the hole clears nearby features. If you're tapping, choose the standard and size that match your hardware and decide whether to model threads visually or keep them cosmetic for performance. When everything looks right, click OK to create the hole. The feature appears in the timeline, which means it's fully parametric. If you change your mind later, just double-click the hole feature to edit the type, size, depth, or position. That's all there is to it. Simple, precise, and easy to update.